Good morning, guys. So I'm actually in Kilinochchi right now. We're heading to Poonakary. This vlog is not going to be a usual travel vlog. I'm here with some people from Appé Lanka. They do all sorts of rehabilitation projects, especially in Pooneryn. This trip, Appé Lanka has organized art and drama workshop for some of the kids. So the whole of today we are going to be doing that. But first we need to get some breakfast. That's the hotel we are staying in. First we need to get some breakfast and
my nerves fall all over the place. Make me feel like an absolute mess. And I realize time flies, but I don't want to race, no, I don't want to race.
so this is going to be the location where. So are you ready to teach them?
I don't know whether I would teach them art or whether they're going to teach me.
Oh, they're going to run.
Hopefully, or they might
They're
run.
going to run.
Hopefully they'll teach me.
We are still waiting for some of the kids to turn up. Some are here now, but few more to come.
That we are doing. The first was apple, kumkumam, chili, strawberries outside us.
எங்களுக்கு வெளியாக இருக்கிறது தான் இந்த ஆப்பிள் குங்குமம் சில்லி அது அந்த விஷயங்கள் எல்லாம்.
Blood is?
ஆனா பிளட் ரிசல்ட் வந்து
by dividing it into two, the cool and warm. Then the exact opposite color to the orange is blue.
The wind blows in the rain, round, round, the wind blows in the rain, round, round, the wind blows in the rain.
நீங்க வாழ்க்கைய வெற்றியை நோக்கி போய் கொண்டிருக்கும் போது வாழ்க்கையில தடைகள் வரலாம். எந்த மாதிரிக்கல அந்த வாழ்க்கையின் வெற்றியை நாங்க என்ன செய்யணும், நாங்களாகவே காத்துக்கொள்ள முயற்சி செய்யணும். இல்லாட்டி யாரு வந்தாலும் அதை அழிச்சுக்கொள்ள, அந்த காத்து வந்தாலும் அதை அழிச்சு
On my arm and shoulder, I feel the slow pace connection with 1,000 birds.
While the kids are doing their workshop, I managed to escape from there because it's just too hot. So I got hold of George and we're gonna go to town and get something chill to drink. The main reason I came is because of the AC in the car. Yeah, I'm being that guy, but still. AC. This is the Pooneryn town. That's pretty much it, actually. Few shops. That's the district secretariat office. Refreshed. Back to work. Hi, Shaan.
I hope you didn't video me, okay?
I am taking a video of you. Shaan is the founder of Appé Lanka. Do you want to tell us something about Appé Lanka? Just to tell you some of the things that Shaan has been doing here in just a few months ago, she gave how many bicycles?
We have given 150 bicycles as of now.
150 bicycles for the kids so that they can go to school. She's currently working on a project to give solar electricity to a village, is it?
Yeah, we've given so far 28 solar home systems to one cluster village. But with the help of Mr. Sudarshan, who works in the district secretariat, we have identified 1,000 houses that need urgent electricity.
ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு விடயமா இருக்குன்னா ஸ்கூலுக்கு டியூஷனுக்கு அவங்களோட அன்றாட தேவைகளுக்கு அதை பயன்படுத்துகிறாங்க விளையாட்டு போகிறதுக்கு.
நார்மலாக அவங்களோட இந்த பிள்ளைகளுக்கு வீட்டில் இருந்து ஸ்கூலுக்கு எவ்வளோ தூரம் கிலோமீட்டர் கணக்கு பார்த்தீங்க?
3 கிலோமீட்டருக்கு மேலே 7 கிலோமீட்டர் வரைக்கும். இன்னும் வந்து ரிக்வெஸ்ட் எங்கள்கிட்ட இருக்குது தர சொல்லி தேவைப்பாடு அதிகமாக இருக்குது. இன்னொரு சந்தர்ப்பம் கிடைச்சா அப்பேலங்கா இது இன்னும் 200க்கு மேலே இருக்குது எங்களோட ரிக்வெஸ்ட்.
So 3 to 7 kilometers. Most of these kids, if they miss the bus, have to walk to school. These guys, Shaan, they're doing some awesome things. If you want to help them, I'll put their link in the description. Contact them, give them your support.
Come, we move.
The wind blows in the rain. Round, round. The wind blows in the rain.
And we are done. Woohoo! Back again tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. So it's day 2 of the workshop. It's around 8:30. I'm here. Let's check this out. So from the workshop, from the art workshop that we did yesterday, these kids had come up with some really beautiful stuff. Hold on, let me show it to you. Check that out. Look at that. This. So these were all the portraits that the kids were asked to do. Some self-portraits as well. This one's my favorite.
We don't have a translate, I think.
No translator.
You gotta find one.
I can translate for you until I go if you want.
Okay.
My nerves fall all over the place. Make me feel like an absolute mess. And I realize time flies, but I don't want to race, no. I don't want to race.
See you, mother. Let's meet up in Colombo. See you. Take care. See you, guys. Bye. See you. That's done. Time to go back to Colombo.